Hello guys, welcome back. This is another video where we discuss the GATE previous year questions on network theory, and here we have a question from 2021 paper. So consider the circuit shown in the figure. So this is the circuit. We have two current sources, one voltage source and one series resistance and two more resistances. The value of VO rounded off to one decimal place is dash volts. So they're asking to find the voltage across this 1 kilo ohm resistor. So typically how will you go about solving this? You will either assume the node voltages as V1, V2, V3 and then try to write your KVL, or you assume your branch currents and try to write your KCL and then try to solve it. But that is not always required when we are trying to solve the question in a simple and easier way. So here if you see, these both are current sources while this is a voltage source. So can we try something converting this also into current source and see what happens? Okay, let's do that. So we are going to use source transformation, right? So this we already discussed in the previous video. Transformation. So if between two nodes, here we have 4 volt and 1 kilo ohm. So let me call this A and B. Then this can also be redrawn as a current source of 4 by 1 kilo ohm, which is 4 milliamp. And the direction will be from positive side of the voltage source, right? And then my parallel resistance will be the same 1 kilo ohm. And this will be between A and B. So can I now redraw this in this format? Okay, let's do that. So here we'll remove this guy and replace it with the current source of 4 milliamp parallel with the 1 kilo ohm resistor. This VO I'll write it as other side. So plus minus VO. So now if you see, in this direction we have 6 plus 2, 8 milliamp going here. While in this direction if you see, again the direction of current sources, you have to be careful. This the top direction, right? So here we have 6 plus 4, 10 milliamp coming in, right? So here 10 milliamp is coming, here 8 milliamp is going. So how much should be going in these two nodes? I1 plus I2. So I1 plus I2 should be equal to 10 minus 8, which is 2 milliamp. And the resistances are equal, so I1 should be equal to I2, right? Because they are across the same nodes A and B and they are having equal value, so I1 should be equal to I2. So what will be the value of I is nothing but 1 milliamp each, so I1 equal to I2 equal to 1 milliamp. Now VO is nothing but I2 into 1 kilo ohm, or vice versa, I1 into 1 kilo ohm. So this is nothing but 1 milliamp into 1 kilo ohm, which is nothing but 1 volt. So we easily arrived at the answer. So the source transformation is a very powerful technique, and mostly in gate kind of examinations, when you see something complicated, you must always try to simplify it in this form. And most of the time it will be you will be able to simplify it in this form. So this way you will also be saving time, which you can use to solve other complex questions. So we have completed 10 questions in this series, and I would like to know your suggestions. Please leave your comments below. Thank you. See you. Bye bye.